Hey friends, welcome to this video where we're going to be talking about 5 different methods that I use when organizing, downsizing, and decluttering. I'm going to break each of them down and explain with some examples of how I use them. These are my methods. A gift once given is gone. If you don't use it, lose it. My 1, 2, 3 method. My 5-minute method. And lose it where you use it when organizing a space. I'm going to break down each of these methods in this video. Let's get started. If you are new here to this channel, my name is Robin and I love to do functional organization. I like to say that I bring the fun to functional. So let's get started and let me show you where we're going to start. These are my methods. A gift, once given, is gone. No guilt gift giving and receiving. Part of the gift-giving process is the joy of giving and receiving a gift. Once you give or receive a gift, the receiver chooses if they use it, keep it, or give it away. This cup is a beautiful example of a thoughtful gift. My brother, when he was little, gave it to my mom. For many decades, my mother enjoyed this cup and it brought her so much joy. Eventually, she decided she was done with it and it was time for the cup to go on to a new home. This is a picture that someone had given to a friend. It brought them joy to color the picture, and the person receiving it appreciated the gift. When the person was done enjoying the gift, it was time to recycle it. This lamp was given to me from my grandmother. I was probably 10, and I really appreciated the thoughtful gift the older that I got because it brought me joy to remember my grandma. As life went on and I grew up and eventually moved into different houses over the years, I didn't have a space to honor and enjoy this lamp anymore, and I decided that I would give it to my mom if she wanted it. It brought my mom joy to have this lamp and to remember her mother who she loved so much. And the reality? Whenever whoever is done with it, it's their job to decide if they want to keep it or give it on to a new home. My method. If you don't use it, lose it. If you're not using an item, let it go to a new life and a new home. A great example of this method is clothes in a closet. Sure, there's seasonal clothes that you might not use all the time, but oftentimes, even myself, there's clothes in the closet that I just find that I'm skipping over. Whether it's seasonally or every time you're doing your laundry and you decide you don't like or use an item, give yourself permission to toss it in the donate bin. It's totally fine not to keep items that you're not going to use. Especially when it comes to closets, it's important that you have as few decisions as possible to keep decision fatigue down, as well as to make sure that you love everything that you own and streamline the process of selecting your clothes. Another thing to keep in mind with your wardrobe is if you have a capsule wardrobe, such as things that go together no matter what you mix and match, it does make it easier to select items as well as to add items to your closet to make future purchases easier. My 1, 2, 3 method. Select one area to work. 2 is to put on some tunes. Play some music to keep you moving. 3 is for 3 piles to sort. Love it? That's the keep pile. Like it? That's the pause pile. And sometimes you need to put an item on pause while you decide if it's something that you're going to use or not. And the let it go pile, which is the donate or purge pile. An example of how I would use my 1, 2, 3 method in this space is this. First, I'm selecting one area. That's the bathroom counter. Next, 2 is for tunes. I'd put on some music to keep you moving. And 3, I'd be sorting the stuff into 3 piles. Love it, like it, and let it go. If it's something that I love and use and need daily or even weekly, then I would keep it on the counter in a tidy manner. If it's something that I like, but I'm not sure that it belongs here, then it would go in the pause pile or move somewhere else. And if there's something random on the counter like trash or similar that I just need to let go or get rid of, then I would get rid of it, move it, donate it, or put it in the trash as needed. The important thing here is that you're only having out what you're using daily or weekly, and everything has a home. My 5-minute method. Select one small area to complete in about 5 minutes. This method helps to make consistent progress over time. An example of my 5-minute method is this area in my kitchen. This is a cabinet that I pulled everything out of and in about 5 minutes was able to shift things around so that it works quite a bit better. The goal is to complete a whole area in about 5 minutes so that you can feel really good and celebrate that win for accomplishing a small task in one small area, bin, basket, cabinet, or similar. My method. Lose it where you use it. Lose an item visually from sight where you use the item. In this kitchen, to the right of the coffee pot, we have a coffee station, and the coffee cups are located right above where the coffee pot is used, so it's easy to access the item and everything that you need to make the coffee. Additionally, you'll see the plates, cups, bowls, and silverware are located right where they're going to be used. These drawers house items used for prep as well as for cooking. It includes spatulas, spoons, measuring cups, and more. The items are located in an area right next to where they're going to be used. It's easy to find what you're looking for, as well as put it away quickly. These pans are stored right next to where they're being used. Lose it where you use it. Let's review my methods. A gift once given is gone. If you don't use it, lose it. My 1, 2, 3 method. My 5-minute method. And lose it where you use it when organizing a space. Thanks for joining me in this video where I discuss my methods that I use when organizing, downsizing, and decluttering. To see these methods in action, make sure to subscribe to my channel so you can catch the next video as soon as it comes out. If you're ready to schedule a free 15-minute consult, check out my website, bgbarnstormer.com for details. We'll see you next time.